is a man. I want this world in my hands. 'Cause it's too cold